Well, today we got a break from all that wet weather. Good soaking on Thursday, more rain on top of that for Friday. That really calmed down for today, but guess what? It's going to be picking back up. We see rain happening throughout the night with more rain. I think that's our last and final wave that's going to be arriving on Sunday. Then we're going to get drier for Monday and Tuesday. Warmer temperatures coming back. Really just have to get through tonight and tomorrow night and tonight. We have some chances of severe weather. Look at the tornado watches that have been issued. Most of these tornado watches for these counties are north of I-44 right now. That's where the higher confidence is that we can see a tornado that's going to spin up. And well, there's already been a confirmed tornado right around Clinton, just to the west of it in Henry County. But for everyone else right now, we really just have to deal with waiting for those thunderstorms to move into the east, and there's going to be a whole lot of rain that's going to be associated with it. A flood watch issued for just about everyone here into the Ozarks. That's lasting until 1 p.m. tomorrow, and you can also see the flood warnings that have been put in place. And when I flip it over to radar, it should be no surprise that's really where the majority of this rain is happening, and it is a long band of severe weather outbreak. We have severe weather in Michigan. We had a tornado warning right there in Illinois. We've had thunderstorm warnings in Iowa, Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas. A very large stripe of active atmosphere is what we've been dealing with, and we're still seeing the threat right now. Mostly severe thunderstorm warnings in our area as we're just getting the beginning hours of these storms starting to move across from Kansas, approaching the I-49 corridor. We can also see a tornado warning has been issued, and that was just outside of our viewing area as that's issued to the north of Benton County and in Henry County as well. But there is right here, just look to the south in St. Clair County. That's a severe thunderstorm warning with a tornado potential tag on it right now. There's a little bit of circulation with that, but not enough circulation for the National Weather Service to issue a tornado warning. That may change as the night progresses and as this line really moves in. And we're going to talk about how it kind of progresses throughout the Ozarks as we're going to see this kind of wave of activity continue to slog and push in. And I think by the time, models are a little bit slow on this, I think by the time we get to midnight, maybe even before midnight, a lot of those rain chances can start to enter the Springfield area. And by the time that's happening, at that midnight overnight hour, a lot of these thunderstorms are going to begin to cluster up and form together. That means our chances of seeing a very large tornado decreases, but we still have a chance of a spin-up tornado. We can get large hail, damaging winds, and of course, very heavy rain. We can get rainfall rates that are going to be over an inch, and we can get somewhere between 1 to 3 more inches of rain that's going to be arriving tonight because rain chances really aren't shutting down throughout these overnight hours. Thunderstorms are going to linger before they can really push out Sunday morning, and then we're going to get even more thunderstorms, even more wet weather that's going to be arriving really Sunday afternoon. I think that's our best chance to start to see those thunderstorms right there at 4 p.m. starting to creep back into our region, and this is the final wave of thunderstorm activity. Most of that is going to be really east of Highway 65. I think where that bulk of activity is going to be on Sunday, but it's going to be a whole lot of rain. Just look at what models have been estimating. Look at this band right up here. That's 5-6 inches of rainfall that is occurring just predicted outside of our area, but nearly everyone in the Ozarks are forecasting it somewhere between 1 to 2 more inches of rainfall that are going to be coming. We've already gotten 3 inches of rain in Springfield over the last couple days. We're looking at 2 more that could be coming our way. Let's talk about the full 7-day forecast, because once we get past the threat of severe weather on Sunday, I think we're going to be good for the next couple days. Monday, we're pushing all this rain. We're going to have a good amount of sun that's going to come out, especially in that afternoon hour. Tuesday, looking warm and nice. We can get a good amount of sunshine that's going to be pumping in with temperatures hit that 80-degree mark. It's really Wednesday. I think late on Wednesday, we can start to see a little bit more thunderstorms coming back into our region, but right now, those aren't looking severe, Sydney.
All right, thanks, Matt.